Hi, it's Lynne with Softwares. I have my Annie's Kits Silver Jubilee Block 7. You can see how that comes together. Let me show you which one it is. It is this block right here. We are more than halfway done because there's 12 blocks. This is block number 7. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys up to speed on where I am. You've been watching me, but what I did is I took the big blocks and made half square triangles, 2 out of each one. And now this is gonna go here in the center, the darker ones, and then the lighter ones are the cornerstones, which go out, it looks like. And then the middle, we're going to make a pinwheel. Something like that. Nope. Does that look better? All right, so there's that with these. And now we have all these little flying geese that we get to fill in here and then pick them up row by row. So I'm gonna stick to doing exactly what they did, and at this point it's just all visual. So it looks like this one, pointing down, is at the bottom of all of these. All right. Okay. And then the darker one. Okay, so a couple different ways to put this together. I can do this whole row, and this whole row, and this one, and this one. I would think I want to do these 4 first though, and then do just these 4 and these 4, which will make one section, another section, and then another big section. I think that's the best way to put this together to make sure that my center stays centered. So I'll start with that. I'll just have to zip this to this. And when I picked these up, I messed them up. So they're not in order anymore. So I'm pressing these to their dark side, so when I do this, my seam is offset. Not perfect, but it's good enough. So now I'm going to do these 2. All right, my block is done. This one has a name. It's called Fox and Geese. I don't know. All right, one more to add to my wall. This is block 7 of this one. This one I'm gonna be probably doing for another next 6 months because it's so big. And then after the blocks are made, there's like sashing and fancy stuff in between. It's like, okay. Let me point out some tools that I use. This is my favorite block lock. This is a 4.5 inch, which I needed for the bigger half square triangles. This is a 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangle. This is by Lori Holt. It's her Cute Cuts ruler, and it's the right size for my flying geese. I wish I had a block lock for flying geese because I really like this groove, and I might be getting one of those sometime. Anyway, these are the 2 rulers that I used to square everything up. So good luck. Let me know what you think about this. Thanks for being here today. Have a good day.